So today we're going to be planting peanuts from the store. So if you want to do this, they have to be raw peanuts. They can't be roasted, they can't be toasted, they can't be salted. They have to be raw, in-shell peanuts, or else they are very unlikely to be viable. So what we're going to do is very easy. We're just going to break open the shells. And we got our nuts here. So unlike other quote-unquote nuts, peanuts are not a true... They're not a tree nut. They are a legume, or they're in the bean family. So they are a root crop. They grow in the ground, and a lot of people don't know that. So once you've got your raw peanut that you've popped out of its shell, here is your seed. You're just gonna pop this into the ground or your pot and wait for it to grow, essentially. Since these are from the store, there's some additional chance that they won't be viable. Don't get discouraged if they don't sprout. It just means that somewhere along the way in these nuts reaching you, they got too dry or whatever their processing was. It just means that they were less viable as seeds. So I'll show you how I would plant these. So out in the garden, and here we have our seeds. I'm just going to plant a small handful because I've already planted some of these. And I'll show you what activity has been going on so far. So I dug up one of these to check on it, and you can see that it's swelled up considerably compared to just freshly shelled peanut. And you can see right there at the tip that it's got a little green point coming out. So that means that the germination has started. So I'm just gonna pop it back in there, let it do its thing. And I'm gonna add these in. I'm just gonna kind of be indiscriminate with where I put them. I'm not too worried about it. Oh, there, I found another one of the old ones. It's doing its thing too. It's got the green coming out. So you don't want to plant them too deep. As with any seed, they only have enough, only so much energy to reach the surface. So that's it. We've planted peanuts. So you'll know they're ready to harvest when the leaves have started turning yellow and are withering. And to pull them out, you just want to get a hold of the base of the plant and kind of gently pull it up and then shake the excess soil off the roots. And you'll see all the little peanuts in and around the roots because it's a root crop. And it's a fun one to grow.